Freelancers and digital business in emerging markets often struggle to receive international payment due to limited access to tools like Stripe or PayPal. So we built Tabedge, a simple platform to help them accept global payment. This is invoice page and user can easily create and send invoice to client. User can share link too. And anyone can pay with Tabedge, pay with PayPal or pay with card. This is payment link page and anyone can also generate payment link and get paid instantly. On checkout page, we also support checkout page for website and online business. And we provide API integration for platform and SaaS production and SaaS products. We have launched an early version onboarded initial users and are starting to see early traction while improving both payment and payouts. Our goal is to make global payment accessible for everyone. Happy to walk you through more details or discuss further. Would love to hear your thought. We are also opening up our 250K dollar round to scale this further. Thank you.